What if I told you that Photoshop is dead? Yeah, you heard me right. For decades, Adobe's Photoshop was the king of images, the untouchable giant. But then Google quietly pulled the trigger and released something that just made Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign obsolete. It's called NanoBanana AI. And this may be the first time the public gets access to it. Let's be real, AI image tools up until now, they've been a mess. Faces breaking, bodies warped, backgrounds that never match. And if you want to fix anything, you still need Photoshop. Not only that, they make you wait 10 to 20 seconds per image. They limit you with credits. And worst of all, they watermark your creations like they still own them. That's not creativity, that's a trap. NanoBanana AI changes all of this. Hey, my name is Venkatesh, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you NanoBanana AI. This isn't just another AI toy. It's the first real business-ready image engine built on Google's NanoBanana plus Gemini Flash. It creates studio-grade visuals in 1 to 2 seconds flat. It keeps the same face, the same object, the same product, no matter how many edits you make. And it listens in plain English. Type, make this a headshot with soft light. Done! Type, swap background for Tokyo at night. Done! Type, turn it into anime style. Done! One sentence in. Studio image out. And here's the crazy part, this isn't just for designers. It's for everyone. Moms restoring old family photos. Students creating projects that look world-class. Entrepreneurs making ad campaigns without hiring a designer. Freelancers selling logos, covers, and product shots on Fiverr or Upwork. Influencers creating avatars, comics, and TikToks that stop people mid-scroll. Everyday people making posters, memes, and GIFs in seconds. If you can type a sentence, NanoBanana makes you look like a pro. And unlike every other tool out there, NanoBanana is unlimited. No credits, no caps, no monthly bills. You can create as much as you want, whenever you want, forever. It also includes top premium AI models in one dashboard. That means Gemini Flash, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, Flux, Grok all in one place. No juggling subscriptions. No bouncing between apps. Everything you'll ever need is right here. Want 100 product shots in different settings? NanoBanana's batch mode does it all at once. Want to shift styles? Go from oil painting to anime in a click. Want high-res prints? Export in up to 8K in PNG, JPG, WebP, or SVG. Got blurry, old photos? NanoBanana restores them instantly. Paid installs? It's 100% cloud-based. Nothing to download. This isn't a design tool, it's freedom in your pocket. Think about it. For years, the power to create stunning, professional images was locked away. You had to pay designers. You had to learn complicated tools. You had to wait and waste money and stay limited. Now, for the first time ever, the lock is broken. NanoBanana puts this power in your hands. Unlimited, unrestricted, 100% yours. What you create, you own. You can use it, share it, sell it, build a business from it. So here's the deal. Today, you can get NanoBanana AI at a one-time price. No subscriptions, no limits, no tricks. But this won't last. Google never keeps things cheap. Right now, though, you can grab lifetime access. That means unlimited creations, unlimited exports, and unlimited profit potential forever. And because we're so confident this will change your life, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If NanoBanana doesn't blow you away, if it's not faster, smarter, and more powerful than anything you've ever tried, you don't pay a cent. No risk. No worry. No reason to wait. This is your moment. You can stay stuck with slow tools, broken faces, and endless bills. Or you can grab NanoBanana AI today and step into the future of image creation, unlimited, unrestricted, and unstoppable. Click the button below right now and start creating in seconds.